Hey amigos, like I promised, here's a second quick video to go with the first lesson to help us use our calculators to help us check our work. So say you were given these two rational expressions and the question was, are these equivalent? And you think they're equivalent, you're not sure, and you're done your test and you got some time. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up my calculator and I'm going to check in a couple of different ways. Now, I'm just going to show on the TI, Casio is the exact same idea. I'm going to go to y equals, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the two expressions, one into y1, one into y2, and you can probably see here on y2, I've made my line a little thicker. So one way I'm going to do this is I'm going to graph these things, and if I hit graph, if you notice, I only see one graph because the two graphs are actually the exact same. So if the graphs are the same, that means they are equivalent. It's really the same thing, it just looks different. The other thing I can do is I can go to my main screen and I can type in a value for x. So if you see here, I typed in 5 for the first one. I hit enter and I get this long decimal. And I put in 5 for the second expression they gave me. So 2x would be 10. Again, 2x here would be 10. And I stick it in my calculator and I get the exact same decimal. That means these are equivalent. If I got wrong, decimals weren't the same, that means they're not equivalent. So two ways to check my work. I graph it. If the graphs are the same, it's equivalent. Or I sub in a value of my choice back in my main screen, and if the values are the same, they are equivalent. So it's not the easiest thing to do sometimes, but it's a good way to check my work. Never hurts, right? Okay, I hope that helped. See you next time.